Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Lockdown Browser in your course and change its settings. Now, if you have Lockdown Browser already enabled in your course, you're going to notice it in this left-hand blue link menu in, in your IvyLearn canvas. In my case, it is not enabled, and I need to go to the settings down here at the bottom to change that. Now, it will automatically navigate you to the course details. You'll just need to select navigation from the top. And this screen shows us what we have enabled on this blue link menu right here. We have home, announcements, syllabus, modules, all of those are here. If we wanted to disable one of these, we would select disable from the the three dot buttons over here. We could also drag them around to decide where we want them to be in the course. If we wanted to disable one of them with the drag feature, we would just bring it down here, leave it there, and then select save at the bottom. Since I didn't want that to be disabled, I pulled it back up. Now, Lockdown Browser is down here among these grayed out links. If that's the case for you, then you can either select the 3-button dot right here and select enable, or you can drag it to the top. Now, it's very important that in either of these options, we select save when we're done. In this case, this is not autosave. We have to do it manually. That's happened to me a lot. A lot of people sometimes forget that, myself included. And that is how we enable Lockdown Browser in the course. It is now in our blue links to the left. I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.